So this is the way to
San
our
Jose.
villa. No, our villa. You get to see all aspects of it this way. The houses.
This guy's backing up.
The people you have to avoid. The school on the right.
Yeah, just, you don't have to narrate it. Just let it play.
Okay, no narration.
Sticking longhorns are everywhere. Aim there.
I did.
Okay.
Drive.
Yeah. Potholes are numerous and deep.
I thought we weren't narrating.
Ciudad del Paso. Here's the pizza joint. It's never open. It's got really good pizza,
It's
but
open.
they're never open.
It's open today. Just not Wednesday when we wanted to go.
Everybody's good to the right. Blind corner here.
Speed bumps
Everywhere.
everywhere.
Free sailing now. Pollera El Flaco. Good friends of our Don Phil. They went diving with Flaco. He owns the chicken stand too. Speed bump. Imperial beer is damn good beer. Just missing potholes. Pocatello Heights, 85% sold. Tickets. Los Pollitos dice Pío, 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 cuánto tiene Cattle Ranch on your left. And single file is not a concept in Costa Rica, ever. Doesn't matter if you're walking, bicycling, or what. Or unless you're in America. That's the third time I'm found this wrong in Costa Rica. Work related? I'm not answering. Bulldog Fitness.
Hmm?
How's the camera doing?
Okay.
Not overheating.
Not yet.
And now we're into the beginning of the high rent district, although the roads don't improve.
What?
You could pan across.
No, I can't.
Okay.
Just let me do what I'm doing.
Let me get here a few seconds. Have you started?
Yes.
Okay.
Just so we have some overlap.
Show everybody where the monkeys were yesterday.
Except they weren't there.
But they're not there now. They've moved on.
Sometimes there are monkeys up there. But not right now.
Not today. They've moved over closer to our house.
Not right now.
They'll wake us up at 4 in the morning. Not a bad way to get up. It's daylight at 5.
Speed bumps.
We're on the water by 6.
You gotta love the speed bumps. Slow down
Hello,
so I can
hello.
take a picture. So this is what part of what you see coming up.
So this is the first time we had any impression that we'd actually rented a decent place looking out over the Pacific. And here comes another speed bump. But you ain't even seen nothing yet with regards to speed bumps. Alright, that's a nice view.
I don't think I can really show it. So here we are, almost at the cutoff. Oh, that's in my way. No.
Just put it down. He's not going to stop you.
And here are the speed bumps from hell.
These
Seriously bad,
can damage your car.
bad speed bumps. Okay.
We're on the property.
And this
Is
the
our
view.
private beach. We will show you in a moment.
It's a little bit of a steep turn. Just a little steep. And here you go. There's our cove.
Bahia Pez Vela, the beach of the sailfish. And it
There's
absolutely
the Officina.
is.
And we're going down here. And then another right turn. And you can see the water right in front of us. And
Say hello to the naked Mayans.
here we are at Ginger number 2. There we are.